What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I bring you back the Sunday stock watch list, where I talk about all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I don't like, all the setups, all the earnings going on, all the economic events, so that we're prepared for the week. We know what's going on, and we can, pretty much expect a few things coming our way. So before we go ahead and start this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and what other stocks that I miss. Obviously, I might not follow every stock in the market, so if I do like something, I'll update you guys on the next video, or even on my Trade Like Nour page, where I upload only, trading content. I have 3 Instagrams, 4 technically, but it's Nour Trades, StockHours, Trade Like Nour. Trade Like Nour is just for trading, and then Crypto Hours. But so let's go ahead and start this video. Make sure you hit that like button again. So let's go ahead and start. We have the economic calendar going right here. Monday's pretty chill. Tuesday you have the FOMC meeting where it begins. Then you have factory orders, jolts. This is early in the morning. Wednesday we have FOMC announcement at 2 p.m. That's very important. And then the Fed chair press conference, which follows at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. And Thursday you have the OPEC meeting, which is important. Fed balance sheet obviously at 4:30 p.m. We have jobless claims, productivity, and costs at 8:30 a.m., which is before market open, which is good. And then, Mary speaks on Friday, and Raphael. I don't see Powell speaking, but that'll be Wednesday, obviously. But any other day, I think it's only Powell on Wednesday. But things like jobless claims and productivity and costs, this comes out before market open on Thursday, so you always want to think about that. And the OPEC meeting on Thursday, you want to think about that when you're swinging from Wednesday to Thursday. That's very important. Now, as far as earnings, the first day is whatever. The most important thing here is BlackRock. Chegg used to move a lot. NXP used to move a lot. As far as that, nothing here is really that important. Expedia lets you know people are really traveling, booking trips. Let's see what's going on for the summer. BP is important. Pfizer, Starbucks, Airbnb, AMD. We have a few big ones here on Tuesday, so that'll be a cool day. CVS on Wednesday, Etsy on Wednesday after market close. Twilio's cool. Skills used to be a big one. Marriott. But Thursday we got Shopify. Crocs does move a lot. They're not important though, but Crocs does have some crazy moves. Wish reports, DoorDash. That'll be the same with Uber on Wednesday. And then Friday you have DraftKings, Under Armour, just a few stocks that I may know, nothing important there. So Tuesday is actually an important day for sure. Monday you have BlackRock, which is important to me, so I'll keep an eye on that. So let's go ahead and start the week here. So the first thing I'm going to go over for this week is Amazon. This one's had a big struggle. It's looking like it's going to continue to struggle. We're back to pre-COVID levels. You guys can see this big drop from earnings. It got cracked. I thought about it. I told everyone before, every time earnings was coming around, what was everybody talking about for Amazon? Think about it. A split. We've already got the split news. There is nothing here that's exciting for Amazon coming anytime soon. As far as now, does that mean it's a bad company? No, it just means there's nothing exciting for now. It can take a breather. People could get in. But as far as Friday, it dropped $406. At one point, it was like $450. So I am watching this 2450 level. We did break it on Friday, but we didn't hold under. Under that, I am watching 2400, and we do have a lot of room from there, but this is going to be a crazy one. Look at the 1 year. I had this before Friday even came. Look at this, right off my support level. The candles never closed below, so it was pretty intense. I did end up catching this. You'll see a live trade on this coming up this week or the next. But I did catch this. I wish I had or held a lot more. The next thing that I'm watching here is Nvidia. We don't have Tesla on the watch list this week. I just don't see anything exciting. So Nvidia, I am watching the 180 here to the downside. Obviously, we have the low of 180, 156. Depending on the market sentiment and how it comes down, maybe 180, 156 will be cool. But for now, I'm just telling you guys the supports that I have. We have a bear flag on the 1 year here, as you can see. A heavy drop. We got one power candle up from 185 all the way up to 200. We're coming right back down. I am watching that low. That candle is bearish, and not only that, we are bear flagging. I do have support, as we can see. We go all the way back to June 2021. We struggled. We finally broke out of that. We tested it as support, so I know 180 is a decent support here on Nvidia to be watching. So I will be watching the low. Maybe I can catch the low into 180. We'll see how it goes and where the market sentiment is this week. Now, I'm giving you the downside for both of these stocks and probably the rest of my watch list here, but does that mean I'm bearish for the week? No. It just means these are the best opportunities I see as far as, what's going on. We do have the FOMC meeting. That could change the market sentiment like a flash, right? So just keep an eye on this. This is just stocks that I'm watching for now. Now, I know I drop watch lists every Sunday, but on Trade Like Nour and on my Twitter account, I'm dropping my watch list, every other day. So things might change, and those are my daily watch lists that I might bring up. So Netflix. I'm noticing a little pattern here. Not that it is anything, but this thing likes to push off the open, sell off. 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 Yes, this did come all the way back up, but look at the push off the open, 191 down to 185. Great move. And then push off the open and then sell off. So I'm kind of watching to see what we got going on here. Now, if I put this on the 1 hour, we got this 185 here as support. Now, if we end up pushing off the open and then falling under low day or the opening price, I'll probably look to play it, see what I can get done with Netflix, especially if I'm looking at a decent move. Now, that's just something I noticed as far as the push off the open and then sell off. That can switch, right? It's a new week. Now, I am watching 185 as support here on this stock, and from 185 I don't have real support until about 166. Now, does that mean we're not going to get stuck at 175 or 170? No. It just means I don't really have real support. This could be a quick move down. The support levels that it has in between aren't going to be as important, and it might not even, bounce off of it. So Netflix is something I'm watching coming up this week. Now, Shop. This is something that I'm also watching this week. This stock is stuck and it's consolidating. Now, why am I watching this? This stock, when this falls, with the right market sentiment, is a homer, or like a home run. Now, obviously, I love my Tesla and I love my Amazon, but when Shop comes around and gives you the move, you don't want to miss it. And I told you guys this recently, right before that drop happened, that this is going down. Now, if you guys can, go to the videos or about 2 Sunday stock watches. I'm like, if this stock can't move, you'll probably remember, if you watch my Sunday stock watch list, you'll probably remember me say, and I even tweeted it on Twitter, me say that the stock announced a split and couldn't even jump off that. So if a stock announces a split, for example, I named you Tesla, I named you Amazon, all these stocks, Nvidia, when they announce splits, these stocks take off. This stock couldn't even take off. That showed me the sign right off that, and this came all the way down to 411. Now, what am I watching on Shop? I'm watching this 411 level. Once we take that out, we have room down to 410, 400, and then 390, and then I don't have any room down, I don't have any more supports until 380. So this can be a quick move down to 380. If I put this on the 1 year, you can see how we're kind of just getting stuck here. So 390 is this trend here, and then if I put this on the 3 year, we got a lot more room. As you can see, this trend, I only left it here because I started noticing it was bouncing off of it. Now, will it matter? We'll see how it goes, but this was a trend from the break to the upside, and now it's kind of riding this to the downside. But I am watching 411 and 410 to the downside. That does not change. Now, as far as NQ, I saw this right before I made this video. We do have a little double bottom on the 5 minute here. No, sorry, a little bit bigger time frame. Is it the 30 minute? Nah, let's do the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour. You guys can see we bounced here off 12,800, and we kind of bounced off of it Friday. We were off by what, 27 points, 26 points. So this is something I'm watching. If we take out 12,800 on NQ, this could be a disastrous week, or at least into the FOMC meeting, because that could obviously switch that up at any time. So just keep that in mind. Now I go to the higher time frames. We do have a trend here. If you guys didn't have that, you should add this to your charts. We do have a downtrend here. You guys can see 1, 2, 3 bounces, and if we do have room, we do have room down to 12,500 on NQ. So keep that in the back of your mind. Does that mean we're going to head down to 12,500? No, but we have the FOMC meeting coming up this week, and a lot of things could go wrong, a lot of things could go right. Just be prepared for both sides. Don't be biased, right? Always think. I will keep you guys updated on Trade Like Nour on Instagram and Nour Trades, on Instagram, and then on Twitter. My Twitter is Real Nour Ada on Twitter. So Real Nour Ada, you'll find me on Twitter. Hopefully we'll put it in the bio. So I'll see you guys. Peace.